Morning, I'm Steven Sprinkle. This is MorningBit. Let's get to it. Top 3 things I think are important today for Bitcoin. The first of which is an update from a story I did about a week and a half ago regarding China and their overall tact on Bitcoin. Back then, I reported that basically banks and financial institutions that did Bitcoin exchange were banned from doing so. But the new understanding is that all businesses in China are banned from using Bitcoin as a transactional currency for goods and services. Now, this puts a huge damper on the fluidity of transactions inside China, but they haven't explicitly banned the barter ecosystem from using Bitcoin. And they also haven't explicitly stated that perpetually going forward, they were going to have this policy. So it leaves the door potentially open, but for now, it's essentially a block on official business transactions with Bitcoin. Second thing that I think is really important today for Bitcoin is a research paper that's come out called BitIodine. And basically what it is it's a way to, it details a way to do associative comparisons around what addresses a user might have. So looking at all the transactions that have gone on, the various addresses that have done those transactions, they're able to do associative comparisons and potentially tie addresses to individuals. So it's an interesting paper. It's apparently been circulating in the NetSec community, and I'm watching this because it's something that I knew potentially could be done, but now seeing it diagrammed out and actually having an initial working program doing this is really concerning and interesting. So I'm watching this. I'll link to it below. Take a look at it. And the third thing that I think is really cool today for Bitcoin is an auto trader called Haasonline. And I'll link to the discussion for it. It's been around for a while, and basically it's an auto trader. So it allows you to do set buy and sell points, and then the auto trader watches the markets for those points and then automatically initiates those trades for you. I haven't explicitly used it yet, but I think it's an interesting product, and I think it's really an interesting way for individuals to passively make income with Bitcoin if they're willing to take the plunge in utilizing these auto traders. So I hope everybody is having a great day. If you have a product or service, send me a logo or any information. I'll talk about you on the show. Hope everybody has a great weekend, and I'll see you next week.